Hi guys, it's me, Andy Moore. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna teach you on how to clone yourself using Filmora 9. Yes, with tips and tricks on how to do it, and please keep on watching. See ya! Hello netizens, today I'm gonna teach you how to clone yourself using the Filmora 9. Yes guys, you heard me right. I'm gonna teach you how to clone yourself. Well, not that kind of cloning, but more likely a video or a camera trick. This is possible using the Filmora 9. You can download Filmora 9 for free. Just type Filmora.wondershare.net on your web browsers and click the download or the click it here for free. So what are you waiting for? Let's start. So the first thing you need to do is to film yourself in a position where there's enough space for the two of you. Make sure your camera is steady and must not be touched or moved easily to avoid mistakes on the video effect. You have to film the entire video of yourself, which is the video 1, based on your scripts or the scenes that you needed. If you're done filming video 1 and 2, we can now start the editing. First is to open your Filmora 9. After you open Filmora 9, go to click the import video here and select the videos. Drag your first video to the first timeline and then drag the second video on top. Now, go to Tab Effects and select the image mask. And drag the image mask effect on the second video, then double click. On the video tab, select the video effects. And we're going to select the appropriate mask, and I choose this one. Then double click. Adjust the x-axis higher to show the first video below, and adjust a little bit of feather to soften the edges. And there you have it, two versions of yourself. It is a simple trick that you can use on your videos. And I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring the notification bell to keep yourself updated on my new videos and vlogs. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!